Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern McLean County in central Illinois, northeastern Mason County in central Illinois, Caswell County in central Illinois, south central Woodford County in central Illinois until 11:15 p.m. At 10:25 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 6 miles southwest of Manitou, or 11 miles east of Havana, and moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Pekin, Eureka, Green Valley, South Pekin, Delavan, Hopedale, Tremont, Morton, Mackinac, Deer Creek, Goodfield, Danvers, Carlock, Secor, Hudson, El Paso, Powerton, Dillon, Groveland, and Congerville. This includes Interstate 39 between mile markers 4 and 17. This includes Interstate 74 between mile markers 100 and 124. This includes Interstate 155 between mile markers 16 and 31. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although not immediately likely, if a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room. A tornado watch remains in effect until 1 a.m. Monday morning for northwestern Illinois.